Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart for Home. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your LG TV without using a remote. Whether you've lost your remote or it just stopped working, this guide will help you reset your TV and get everything back on track. Let's dive in. Step 1. Locate the power button. First, find the physical power button on your LG TV. Depending on your model, it's usually located on the bottom or side of the TV. This is the key to accessing some basic functions without a remote. Step 2. Access TV settings. Once you've located the power button, press it to turn on your TV. Now, this button does more than just turn the TV on and off. By holding it down for a few seconds, you can actually access the TV's menu. See? The menu pops up. You can use the power button to navigate this menu. Keep pressing the button to scroll through the options. Step 3. Perform a soft reset. To perform a soft reset, you want to scroll to the settings menu. Look for General and then scroll down until you see Reset to Initial Settings. Once you highlight it, hold down the power button to select. Before the reset happens, your TV will ask for confirmation. You'll need to hold the power button again to confirm. Step 4. Hard reset. Unplugging the TV. If you're unable to access the settings menu for some reason, there's always the hard reset option. Unplug your TV from the power outlet and wait for about 60 seconds. After 60 seconds, plug the TV back in and press the power button to turn it back on. This won't reset your settings, but it can fix common issues like freezing or lag. Step 5. Using a universal remote or app. If you've lost your remote completely, you can also download the LG TV Plus app on your smartphone. This app allows you to control your TV as if it were a remote. Once connected, you can navigate to the settings and perform a reset just like you would with the remote. Conclusion. And that's how you reset your LG TV without a remote. Whether you're using the power button, doing a hard reset, or using a smartphone app, you now have multiple options to get your TV back to its factory settings. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Thanks for watching.